Welcome to the R.C. Patel Institute of Technology, Department of Computer Engineering. Today, we delve into the fascinating world of database management systems, guided by J.S. Sonavane. Let's begin with Unit I, where we introduce the fundamental concepts of database management systems, setting the stage for deeper exploration. A database is a collection of data, organized to represent meaningful information. Data itself may be raw facts, but when structured, it becomes a powerful tool for decision-making. Tables, or relations, are collections of related records. Each column represents fields or attributes, while rows are known as tuples or records, forming the backbone of database structure. A database is essentially a collection of related tables. Each table holds specific data, and together they form a comprehensive system for managing information. A database management system is a suite of programs that manage interrelated data, providing efficient ways to store and retrieve information relevant to enterprises. Database systems are designed to organize data efficiently, reduce redundancy, ensure consistency, provide security, and support concurrent access, making them indispensable in modern computing. The entity relationship model is crucial for database design, allowing the specification of an enterprise schema that represents the logical structure of a database. The ER model facilitates the design of databases by mapping real-world interactions into a conceptual schema, using entity sets, relationship sets, and attributes. The ER model is based on three core concepts: entity sets, relationship sets, and attributes, with diagrammatic representations to express database structures. An entity is a distinguishable object in the real world, defined by a set of properties. Entities can be concrete or abstract, and are represented as rectangles in ER diagrams. An entity set comprises entities of the same type, sharing common properties. Entity sets can overlap, allowing flexible representation of real-world scenarios. Attributes are characteristics of entities, providing descriptive properties. Each entity has specific values for its attributes, represented as ovals in ER diagrams. ER diagrams visually represent entities and their attributes, such as students and courses, showcasing the relationships and properties within a database. Attributes can be simple, composite, derived, or multi-valued, each serving a unique role in defining the properties of entities within a database. The degree of relationships in entities defines how they interact, ranging from unary to n-ary relationships, each illustrating different levels of complexity. Unary relationships involve instances of a single entity type, often seen in recursive relationships, where entities interact within the same set. Binary relationships occur between two different entity types, illustrating interactions such as a person attending an event, showcasing relational dynamics. Binary relationships are depicted in diagrams, showing interactions like employees working in departments or books authored by writers, highlighting relational structures. A ternary relationship involves three entities with unique attributes, forming a simultaneous connection. In this example, the consultant, client, and contract are three distinct entities linked by a single relationship called signs. This relationship illustrates how complex interactions can be structured in database systems. Here, we see two examples of entity relationships. The first diagram shows how a doctor prescribes medicine to a patient, highlighting the interaction between these entities. The second diagram illustrates the relationship between a teacher, course, and class, emphasizing the interconnected nature of educational systems. This diagram represents the supply chain relationship between suppliers, parts, and projects. Each entity, such as supplier name, part number, and project name, plays a crucial role in the supply process. Understanding these connections is vital for efficient project management and resource allocation. An NRE relationship involves multiple entities interacting simultaneously. In this example, a teacher, course, location, class, and salary are interconnected, showcasing the complexity and depth of relationships in educational settings. This model helps in organizing and managing various aspects of teaching and learning. For those interested in delving deeper into database systems, here are some essential references. These texts provide comprehensive insights into database concepts, design, implementation, and management, offering valuable knowledge for both beginners and advanced learners.